people, the citizens of Ikwumisia State are very, very happy with this pronouncement, with this change of name. They've demanded that for the past almost 1 year. And I know the Prime Minister have promised them that upon declaration, this change will be made. Today, I hereby make that change from the state of Ikwumisia to the state of Ohamadike. Thank you so much. Welcome. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for the state governor who has been working day and night to ensure that this happens.
Hallelujah.
I want to also bring a couple of updates to Biafrans. We are using this opportunity to encourage Biafrans living in the different parts of Nigeria to start moving back home to Biafra land. I know the Prime Minister has said this in the past. I'm reiterating this again today. We want Biafrans to move back home. We want Biafrans to move back to Biafra land. We've seen the economic sabotage. We've seen the burning of your businesses. We've seen the destruction of your homes in different parts of Nigeria. We're encouraging you to start moving your investments, start moving your homes, start moving your families back to Biafra land. We do not want you to be caught up in the transition process. Move yourselves, move your businesses, move your families back to Biafra land. Biafra Defense Army will continue to protect Biafra land and secure. We will secure 100% every territory, all the territorial integrity of Biafra. All the delegitimized governors in the southeast and south part of Biafra, we're encouraging you to leave. Leave any government house you are occupying. Those houses belong to Biafrans. We have the 40 state governors in Biafra land that are ready to start work from day one. They've been hiring Biafrans in all the different departments. They are ready to start work immediately. All the delegitimized governors in the southeast and south Biafra, we are telling you to leave immediately. I want to also let Biafrans know that Nigeria state has been engaging in secret war with Biafra. They have been fighting us. Nigerian state has been killing Biafrans secretly. They've been engaging in secret war. And I believe the Prime Minister and our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, has told Finland and the DSS and Nigerian state that Nigeria is currently as we speak, engaging in secret war with the Biafra nation. We will defend our land. We will defend our people. I want to let Biafrans know that our Prime Minister is still being held, is still being questioned by the Finnish authorities. The Foreign Affairs Department of Biafra, a few days ago, wrote an update to the private email of our Prime Minister, Simon Ebba, in Finland. After that update, Imam Maduabo wrote our Foreign Affairs Director, warning her not to write anything anymore. Biafrans, this update is necessary so that when the things start happening to Obatobia, you will know where it's coming from. The Foreign Affairs Department of the United States of Biafra updated our Prime Minister through his official email where he's been incarcerated. Imam Madrabu wrote a letter warning the Foreign Affairs Department of the United States of Biafra, represented by Honorable Ada, to desist from contacting Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. That letter will be made open to Biafrans after this information. I inquired from the civil attorney of our Prime Minister, who is leaking private emails that were sent to our Prime Minister. She denied she didn't know anything about it. I think it's important for Biafrans to have this information. Makambo gets sent, so that you all know those that are collaborating with the Nigerian state to hurt the leaders of Biafra movement. We are calling all Biafrans to come on board in the final push to secure our land. It's not about Dr. Robertson, neither is it about Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, neither is it about our leader Nnamdi Kanu. It is the duty of every single Biafran listening here today to ensure the final push to secure Biafra happens and we'll start going home in the next 6 to 8 months or earlier than that. I want to also bring to the awareness of Biafrans that our defense is doing great. As we talk today, the defense of Biafra is 100% behind the United States of Biafra. Do not be carried away by any fake voice, fake thing they do on social media.